The Patek Philippe Ref 5227 Calatrava wristwatch is a stunning exemplar of horological craftsmanship that marries classic design elements with cutting-edge mechanical sophistication. This timepiece seamlessly combines discreet elegance with technical prowess, and its hinged cover reveals a meticulous attention to detail. Case design and hinged cover. The case of the Ref 5227 is a masterpiece in itself. Available in yellow, white, or rosé gold, the case is meticulously crafted to exude a timeless and understated elegance. Its dimensions, with a diameter of 39 millimeters and a height of 9.24 millimeters, strike a harmonious balance between presence and wearability. However, what truly sets the Ref 5227 apart is its ingenious hinged cover mechanism. This entirely invisible hinge is a testament to Patek Philippe's commitment to both aesthetics and functionality. When the cover is closed, it conceals the case back entirely, preserving the sleek and unadorned surface of the watch. This feature not only adds an element of surprise, but also protects the sapphire crystal case back from dust and scratches, ensuring the watch remains as immaculate as the day it was crafted. At the heart of the Ref 5227 beats the self-winding mechanical movement. Caliber 324 SC Patek Philippe is renowned for its exceptional in-house movements, and the Caliber 324 SC is no exception. It boasts precision, reliability, and a level of finishing that exemplifies the brand's dedication to horological excellence. The movement's sweep seconds function provides a smooth, continuous motion of the seconds hand, enhancing the overall aesthetics of the watch. It is a mark of the meticulous attention paid to every detail of this timepiece. The dial of the Ref 5227 is a canvas of exquisite craftsmanship. It is available in two variations: ivory lacquered in yellow, white, or rosé gold, and black lacquered in white gold. The choice of materials and colors allows for personalization, catering to different tastes and styles. Gold-applied hour markers grace the dial, serving both functional and aesthetic purposes. They are not only legible, ensuring accurate timekeeping, but also add a touch of luxury and sophistication to the watch's overall appearance. Sapphire crystal display back. While the hinged cover conceals the case back when closed, it can be easily opened to reveal the intricate mechanical marvel within. The sapphire crystal display back showcases the movement in all its glory. The level of detail in the finishing, from the Geneva stripes to the meticulously beveled edges and the intricate engravings, is a testament to the skilled artisans at Patek Philippe. This transparent window into the heart of the watch allows enthusiasts to marvel at the inner workings of the timepiece. Sapphire crystal display back. Water resistance. The Ref 5227 is designed to be a versatile companion for everyday wear. While its appearance suggests a sense of refinement and delicacy, it is also water-resistant to a depth of 30 meters. This level of water resistance ensures that the watch can withstand daily exposure to moisture, such as rain or splashes, without compromising its functionality or aesthetics.
These cuts create a mesmerizing play of light, intensifying the fire and radiance of the 142 diamonds that adorn the case, totaling approximately 1.08 carats. For the ultimate in luxury and comfort, the Calatrava Ref 7200 SAR is paired with an alligator strap featuring square scales. This strap is hand-stitched with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring a perfect fit and durability. The strap's shiny royal purple hue complements the rose gold case, adding a regal touch to the watch. Even the prong buckle of the strap is adorned with 26 diamonds, totaling approximately 0.18 carats, further elevating the watch's opulence. The sapphire crystal case back allows enthusiasts to admire the intricate mechanical self-winding movement. Caliber 240, a testament to Patek Philippe's commitment to horological excellence. 7,200 SAR adds a new dimension to Patek Philippe's already illustrious history in the realm of rare handcrafts. With a water resistance of up to 30 meters, it combines beauty, functionality, and durability in a case diameter of 34.6 millimeters, making it a timeless symbol of elegance and sophistication for discerning collectors and connoisseurs alike. The Patek Philippe 5175R Grandmaster Chime is a pinnacle of horological craftsmanship, representing the epitome of watchmaking excellence. This extraordinary timepiece combines intricate mechanical engineering with meticulous handcraftsmanship, resulting in a masterpiece that is as much a work of art as it is a functional timekeeping device. The manufacturing process of the Patek Philippe 5175R Grandmaster Chime is a journey that requires unparalleled precision, patience, and expertise. The manufacturing process begins with the design and conceptualization phase. Patek Philippe's team of skilled watchmakers and designers work together to create a blueprint for the Grandmaster Chime. This phase involves not only the technical aspects of the watch but also the aesthetic elements that make it a true work of art. Patek Philippe is known for its use of the finest materials in watchmaking. For the 5175R Grandmaster Chime, the choice of materials is crucial. The case of the watch is crafted from 18K rose gold, which is meticulously polished to achieve a flawless finish. The dial is made from solid gold and is adorned with exquisite hand-engraved patterns. The hands of the watch are also made from gold, ensuring both beauty and durability. The heart of any watch is its movement, and the Grandmaster Chime is no exception. Patek Philippe's master watchmakers painstakingly assemble each movement by hand. The movement in the 5175R Grandmaster Chime is a mechanical marvel, featuring a staggering 1,366 individual components. These components are crafted with extreme precision, with many of them being finished and decorated by hand. The Grandmaster Chime is known for its many complications, including a minute repeater, a perpetual calendar, a moon phase display, and a second time zone function. Each of these complications requires specialized skills to assemble and adjust. The minute repeater, for example, chimes the time on demand, and its assembly requires careful tuning to ensure a clear and harmonious sound. The case of the 5175R Grandmaster Chime is a work of art in itself. Craftsmen use precision machinery to shape the rose gold case, and it goes through multiple stages of polishing and finishing to achieve its signature luster. The dial, also made of gold, is meticulously engraved with intricate patterns that are a testament to the artistry of Patek Philippe's craftsmen. Once all the components are ready, the watchmakers begin the painstaking process of assembling the watch. Each part is carefully fitted into place, and the movement is meticulously adjusted to ensure accurate timekeeping. The complications are also calibrated to function flawlessly. Patek Philippe takes quality control very seriously. Each Grandmaster Chime undergoes a series of rigorous tests to ensure its reliability and precision. The watch is tested for water resistance, shock resistance, and accuracy. The minute repeater is tested to ensure that it chimes the time with perfect clarity and tone. The Grandmaster Chime is not just a technical marvel, but also a work of art. The watch undergoes extensive finishing and decoration to enhance its beauty. The movement is adorned with intricate Geneva stripes, beveled edges, and polished screws. The dial is finished with exquisite hand engraving, and the hands are meticulously crafted and polished. One of the unique features of the Grandmaster Chime is its reversible case, which allows the wearer to switch between two dials. The assembly of this reversible case is a delicate process, as it involves ensuring a secure fit while maintaining the watch's elegant profile. Before leaving the Patek Philippe manufacturer, each Grandmaster Chime undergoes a final inspection by master watchmakers. They carefully examine every aspect of the watch to ensure it meets the brand's exacting standards. Once approved, the watch is certified as a Patek Philippe masterpiece. The manufacturing process of the Patek Philippe 5175R Grandmaster Chime is a remarkable journey that combines cutting-edge technology with centuries-old craftsmanship. From the selection of the finest materials to the intricate handwork that goes into every component, each step in the process is a testament to Patek Philippe's dedication to creating the finest timepieces in the world. The result is a watch that not only tells the time, but also tells a story of passion, precision, and timeless elegance.